Hey guys, it's Dropkick here, and today I have an update video on my Dropkick. After the video I posted yesterday, I was just messing around with him, and I found out you can actually kind of make something that looks somewhat like a helicopter mode. So I thought I'd just give an update video and transform him from the car mode into the helicopter mode. So let's just do that right now. So, first thing, you take the spoiler and just move these outwards. This is gonna get annoying. I might just take this off. This piece always comes off. Anyway, same on the side. And lift the back window up. And then you can rotate this spoiler a little forward. Again, this whole piece is just pretty fragile. Actually, no, rotate it towards the backlight like that, and then you can rotate the backlight towards the window, and then spin this around. Okay. And now we can fold these in. For now, take the arms. Actually, take the rotors here. Extend them a little bit. And now we can take the arms and well, it's gonna be a good transformation, huh? Okay. Lay that on the arm, and then same on this side. And that's basically how it is in robot mode, but take the roof, open it up, extend that out, do the same on this side, and then take the windshield tile and rotate that forward. And now we can take the legs here and just splay them out for now. We'll get to that. Take the doors, rotate those up, and then you can take the arms and swing them up. And actually, we're going to take the panels here and rotate these out. And kind of move the wheel forward like that. And again, get the arms out as much as possible. And now you can take this whole section here and then you can take the rotors, extend the rotors, and then just splay them out. And just like transforming it to robot mode, you're going to kind of pass these under the rotors. So it kind of helps if you angle this a little bit, and then you can kind of angle the rotors a little bit, and then you can pass those underneath. Oh, sorry, knocked the camera. Okay. And then pass them underneath. Clearance is a little weird, but you can do it. Do it on that side. And here, we can then rotate these back. So that they're kind of filling in that little gap there. And we're actually gonna spin the whole front of the car and kind of angle those in like that. And these will actually, the studs will actually connect to this plate here. And that will kind of secure everything pretty much in place. Again, it just like worked out pretty much perfectly with this back end. On accident. This whole mode was an accident, but anyway, continuing on. I like to angle these in a little bit. It just kind of fills in that gap a little better than it would normally. Yeah, his arm came off. And yeah, angle the arms. Well, I guess it would be towards the back of the helicopter. And then you can use this brick here and angle that inwards. And then that will kind of just sit like that, and then do the same exact thing on this side. And then just kind of position these as best as possible. It's really not a best way to do this. It's just kind of fiddling around with it and finding what looks best. And I like to angle these up a little bit. Kind of gives it more of a helicopter feel. And there's pretty much the back of it done. I couldn't really, I mean, there's no back rotor. There's really no way to do that here. And again, angle that down, and that's pretty much the main rotor done. And then these doors will actually become like the almost like the wings. I guess they're like fins or something. I don't know exactly what it is, but anyway, the legs here. I'll leave that off. The legs are going to spin around on the ball joint. Rotate this foot around. And this is just gonna kind of sit back here, something like that, and do the same on the side. So rotate that foot around and just kind of lay it so that it sits somewhat decently, like that. And they're almost done. Put this back on. These will kind of sit there, and do the same here. And now you can just lay this whole back window assembly just along the bottom of the cockpit. And what are we gonna do next? So this will kind of just sit along the front of the helicopter. And rotate these back all the way around. And there you pretty much have the helicopter mode. And here is the helicopter mode. As you can see, it's not like the best mode ever. It's actually not that great, but considering that this was an accident and like I didn't plan this at all, it's actually not too bad. As you can see, there are a couple gaps here, but I mean, there's a good shape to it, I guess. Like how this kind of angles up a little bit, but I mean, you got the cockpit. That's the actual cockpit that's in robot mode too. So, I mean, this can't spin either, but you can kind of make it look like it is if you angle that a little bit. I mean, it's not, the best, but I mean, I guess now I can call it a triple changer. But still, it's pretty rough. But yeah, otherwise, I mean, I think it's actually pretty good. It should be more gray. But yeah, this was just a little quick video to kind of showcase this little update here. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a like, and I'll see you in the next video.